हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आप आज देखेंगे समथिंग न्यू बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड एटमॉस्फेयर जस्ट लाइक अ beautiful nature. You can see here voice of the bird and other things which are very useful for our atmosphere. Here are many trees and a beautiful fruits tree you can see here, and I want to show something good things. You can see here, this also the fruit tree you can see here. Whole, oh my god, ये किसी animal का हो सकता है. But why we are cutting our atmosphere? Why? What is the reason? Because it's for our use. No need to expand our needs, क्योंकि they will give us silence, and they will give cool air, and so we should be need to preserve our nature always. And I think that according to myself, we should be need to preserve our atmosphere. So I like the nature very much, and you should also preserve the nature. Don't cut the trees and plants because they give us happiness and mental peace for our coming generation also. And you can see here the voices of somebody, but you can see here. So more things. So in more things, they are. You can see here. Oh my God! The very hard to move word, but I want to show you. Oh my God! It's a very dangerous place, I think that, but very good place. And in my childhood, we all children come, and here we have to pick the mangoes, and there are many trees of mangoes here. Oh, good. And I want to show something more. Here you can see the voices of the birds also you can see here, and there are many trees of the mango here.